What's the meaning of cordon bleu? Cordon bleu. Cordon bleu.
Cordon bleu. Cordon bleu. Cordon bleu is a French term that translates to blue ribbon. It typically refers to a dish that has been prepared to the highest standard of excellence, often with great skill and attention to detail. A true cordon bleu dish is expected to be both delicious and visually appealing, with a complex and refined flavor profile that showcases the quality of the ingredients. In modern usage, cordon bleu can also refer to someone who is highly skilled or accomplished in a particular field, particularly culinary arts.